Building a contract signing experience that feels professional is essential for any business or individual that wants to impress clients and make the process seamless. If you're looking for a fast, straightforward guide on how to create a smooth and polished experience, you're in the right place. First things first, simplicity is key. The last thing you want is a confusing or tedious contract process. Start by choosing a reliable software tool designed for contract signing. After testing the most popular options, I found one that stands out, and I'll give you exclusive access to a free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. This software is easy to use and ensures a professional touch right from the start. When you set up your contract signing process, make sure the platform is intuitive and easy to navigate. A smooth user experience is essential. You want clients to breeze through the signing process without feeling frustrated or lost. The software we'll be using does just that, providing a simple interface that feels natural and professional. Next, it's crucial to make sure the contract is visually appealing. It doesn't need to be complicated, but formatting matters. Clear fonts, consistent headings, and a clean layout all contribute to the professional feel of the experience. If a document looks messy or hard to read, your clients might think the service is sloppy. You can easily customize these details with the software, ensuring the contract looks just the way you want it. Now, let's talk about making the signing process easy. Offer an e-signature option that's both secure and fast. In the software, clients can sign contracts digitally without printing anything out. This not only saves time but also reduces the chance of errors. When clients can sign instantly, it creates a positive impression and helps finalize agreements quickly. Plus, the software ensures everything is secure and legally binding. Don't forget about reminders. Sending automated reminders to your clients about pending signatures can help ensure timely completion without annoying them. Many tools offer this feature, so you never have to chase down a signature again. Incorporate branding elements into the process, like your logo or company colors. This simple customization goes a long way in creating a professional branded experience. It shows your clients that you're serious about your business, which builds trust and confidence. Lastly, make sure the contract signing experience is mobile friendly. Clients will appreciate being able to sign on their phones or tablets, making the process more accessible and convenient. To wrap it up, here's your key takeaway. Building a contract signing experience that feels professional is all about simplicity, ease of use, and customization. Start by choosing the right software, ensure the process is intuitive, use clear formatting, offer digital signatures, set up automatic reminders, and don't forget to customize with your branding. And remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can try out the software we used in this video and build your own contract signing experience that's both professional and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.